Good morning, students. I welcome you all to your English class. So, today the date is 23rd of April and the day is Friday. So, as you know, on Friday we do English grammar. So, all of you take out your new learners English grammar book and get ready. So, we were doing chapter number 1. So, we are going to continue with chapter number 1, that is nouns. So, in our last class, we had discussed about gender. In today's class, we will be discussing about countable and uncountable nouns. Okay? So, you can open page number 15, and in page number 15, you can see nouns. So, first I will tell you what are countable and what are uncountable nouns, right? Nouns that we can count are called countable nouns. So, the things which can be counted are mainly known as the countable nouns, such as mango, crayon, swing. So, there are other examples like pencil, eraser, school bag, football, all these you can count. Yes, so they are countable nouns. Nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. So, if I ask you to count water, if I ask you to count the air, if I ask you to count rice, if I ask you to count oil, if I ask you to count sugar, will you able to do so? No, you cannot count them. So, they are known as uncountable nouns. So, the examples are air, gold, water, money. These are all uncountable nouns. Now you can turn your page and you can come to page number 16. Now let's read in details about the countable and uncountable nouns. So see here, look at the table to understand countable and uncountable nouns. So first let me read out the countable nouns. So can have singular and plural forms. So countable nouns can have both singular as well as plural forms, whereas uncountable nouns only have singular forms. Now countable nouns can be followed by singular and plural verbs, and whereas uncountable nouns are always followed by singular verbs, right? So they are only one, so that is why singular. A, an or number words are used before countable nouns. So a apple, so an orange, you can say a box. Yes, so you use and before, or you can use four bags, right? So these things you can use before countable nouns, whereas you cannot use a, an or number words before uncountable nouns. Now for finding out the countable nouns, we mainly ask the question how many. Yes, but for uncountable nouns, you don't ask how many water, how many sugar, but you say how much. Yes, you do not say how many, but we say how, or we ask rather how much. Now for countable nouns, we can use the words like many, a lot of, a few, some, but for uncountable nouns, we use a lot of, a bunch of, don't have any, a little, not. Okay, so these are the words which we can use before uncountable nouns. Now you come to let's practice. Right, you come to let's practice. There you will see what we have to do. There are some words that are given to us. Yes, so we have to put these expressions in the correct column. So we have to find out whether they are countable. If they are countable nouns, you will put it below countable, the column of countable nouns, and if it is uncountable nouns, we will put it below the column of uncountable nouns. Now you see the first word is some bread. So some bread we can count, we will put it under the column of countable nouns. So you can write some bread below the column of countable nouns. Then you have bananas. You can count the bananas, so it is countable noun. So we will write it below countable noun. A few eggs. You can count the eggs, so it is also a countable noun. So you will write below countable noun, a few eggs. A little time. You cannot count time, right children? So it is uncountable noun. So you will write below uncountable noun, a little time. A bowl of soup. You cannot count a bowl of soup, can you? So it is also uncountable noun. So you will write it below uncountable noun. Don't have any money. Again, uncountable noun. You cannot measure the quantity. Yes. So it is uncountable. So you will write below uncountable noun. Don't have any money. Then comes 10 trees. So they can be counted. The number is given. So it is countable noun. So you will write below the column of countable noun 10 trees. A lot of sugar. Again uncountable noun. Sugar cannot be counted. So you will write it below the column of uncountable noun. A lot of sugar. Many bicycles. So you can count the bicycles, right? So it is countable noun. So you will write below the column of countable noun. A few moments. You cannot count few moments. So it is uncountable noun. So you will write below the column of uncountable noun. Then you have enough water. You cannot count water. So it is uncountable. So you will write it below the column of uncountable nouns. Some chairs. You can count the chairs, right? So it is countable noun. So you will write some chairs below the column of countable noun. How much sand? So as you see, how much is used. So obviously it is uncountable noun. So you will write how much sand below the column of uncountable nouns. A little milk. Milk cannot be counted, right? So it is uncountable. So you will write a little milk below the column of uncountable noun. A lot of birds. So you can count the birds, right? So you will write it below the column of countable nouns. A lot of birds. An hour of work. So it is also uncountable noun. An hour, okay. An hour of work. You can be written below countable noun also. Okay. So you have understood an hour of work. You can write below uncountable or countable noun. Both the ways it's correct. Okay. So that is about page number 16. Now come to page number 17. Okay, upside. If you move up, you can see number 2. So what we have to do, we have to write C for countable nouns and we have to write UC for uncountable nouns. Make plurals of the countable nouns. Okay, so the countable nouns have to be identified and they have to be the plural form of their plural form has to be written down. So lady, you can count the lady, right? So you can write down capital C beside lady, it is countable. And you can write the plural form of lady, that is ladies, Ladies. Y will change to IES, right? Then comes air. Air is uncountable, so you will simply write U and C. Then light, uncountable noun, you cannot count, so U and C. Then comes doll, so you will write down, doll is countable noun, so you will write down C and below you will put the plural form, that is dolls, DOLLS, right? Then comes the word teacher, so you can count teachers, so you write down C and the plural of teacher is teachers, so you will add a S. Then comes window. Window can be counted, it is countable noun, so write down C and below you will write the plural form, that is windows. Then is silver. Silver you cannot count, it is uncountable, so you will simply write UC. Next come to the word fence. Fence is countable, so you will write down C beside fence and you will write the plural form of fence below, that is fences. So you will add a S. Next comes the word oxygen. Oxygen is uncountable, so you will write UC. Then comes music. Music is also uncountable. You cannot count music, so you will write UC. Then comes the word mud. Mud cannot be counted. It is uncountable noun. So you are going to write UC. Then comes the word mountain. Mountain you can count. So you will write C. And the plural form of mountain is mountains. Yes, you are going to add S. Then news. News cannot be counted. Yes. So it is uncountable. You will write UC. Then comes love. Love cannot be counted. It is a expression. It is an emotion. You cannot count it. So it is uncountable now. So you are going to write UC again. Okay. I hope so you all have completed the work. So today we are going to do till this much. Yes. So everyone please go through the video and complete your work properly. And please write in neat handwriting. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.